Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can reduce app size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. See here, this is default app size. If you want to reduce it to some extent, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and click on home screen and click on app screen grid, and here by default this grid is set to 4 cross 5. If you select 4 cross 6, next option, app size is considerably reduced. It's reduced to somewhat compared to previous one. Okay, see here 4 cross 5 is somewhat bigger, and if you select 4 cross 6, app size is reduced considerably. If you select next level, that is 5 cross 5, it's still reduced. Okay, it is very small compared to the previous one. If you select 5 cross 6, this is also small size when compared to first one or second one or third one. So if you want to really have much smaller size, you have to use 5 cross 6 and click on save and see the changes. App size is reduced. Okay, so in this way you can easily reduce app size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. If you want to set back to default app size, again go to the same settings and click on home screen and click on app screen grid and select first one 4 cross 5 and click on save, and now it's set back to default app size. In this way you can easily reduce app size in your phone, or you can set back to default original bigger app size in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.